Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you.
It's our honor to have you here today at the 5th annual concert of Euroschool Airoli, The Awakening.
I feel immensely proud to be able to witness the celebration of the completion of 5 glorious years of Euroschool Airoli. 5 years, parents, is indeed a very long time. To learn, to unlearn, to go through the ups and downs of life. And as a school, we have strived very hard to give you the best, both to parents and to our children, academically, co-scholastically, or through events like these.
Now, I would like to request our principal, Dr. Natasha Mehta, to come on the stage and share her experiences of Euroschool in the last 5 years.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to a very beautiful evening. Today is a very special day because today you and us all together are going to celebrate the success and growth of our children. An annual day tradition that has been part of annual days since the days I went to school is the reading out of the annual day report every year on the day of the annual day. But I haven't presented a single annual report on any of the previous 4 annual days because now I feel there is no need. Every day, every week, every month, we constantly update you on the wonderful things that we're doing in school, whether it's through the Web Genie, through the website, or the congratulatory SMSs that we send. But this year is special. This year is different. This year, we complete 5 glorious years of Euroschool Airoli. So it is a first big milestone. So I do want to present a school report this year, but with a difference. I want to lead you through the short journey from 2009-2014 of Euroschool Airoli. Although no words, speech or presentation alone can truly express the glorious 5 years of Euroschool Airoli, I shall make an attempt. It has been an amazing journey, with each year having its own triumphs and struggles, and each year being really unique. We commenced in 2009 with 325 students, 27 teachers, and just 2 functional floors. In April, when we commenced the 2014-15 session, we will have 2,500 students, 135 teachers, and 7 functional floors. We've really grown. Our infrastructure has grown every year. With a simple playground in 2009, we now boast state-of-the-art sports facilities, especially for basketball, tennis, and skating. We are the 3rd school in the country to have highly sophisticated German Wallner labs. We are committed to developing distinction in sports. In fact, we were the first school in India to introduce the sport of floorball. Our students are trained in sports by highly competent in-house staff and also exclusively by Mahesh Bhupati's Tennis Academy and Cricket Australia for cricket. Our students have won in the previous years more than 200 medals in skating and gymnastics. And in fact, the national chess gold medalist this year is a student of our school. Thank you. Academic excellence is our goal. With the unique Euroschool content and the scientific methodology used to deliver it, we are working towards this goal. In the past few years, our students have topped the Maths and English Olympiads. One of our students, Sarthak Sanwal, has won the 22nd National Children's Science Congress and has represented Euroschool Airoli at the National Conference. Last year, 96% of our students appearing for the Trinity General Examination in English scored distinction. We have been an incubation house for ideas and have initiated many events and programs. In order to create socially responsible citizens, we have a social outreach program. We started with humble beginnings of donations and helpful materials, and now work with NGOs for underprivileged children, a school for the deaf, and have a sustainable program where we teach, conduct health checkups, educational visits, and partially integrate these children into some school programs. Our Community Connect programs aim to generate awareness about various social issues in the community and also involve the community in celebrations. Our community events, some of which you might have witnessed, such as the Halloween celebration at our mall in Mulund, the Peace Day walk at Mulund, and of course the unforgettable 100 cars drive, the Freedom Drive on Independence Day last year are incomparable and have inspired many others to follow. Our senior school annual days are legendary. In fact, we have been told repeatedly that none of the schools in the entire area of Navi Mumbai, Mulund and Thane have ever attempted such concerts. The annual concerts focus on cultural awareness, literary enrichment, and developing the skills of communication and expression. This year, we opened a chapter of SPICMECE, the Society for the Promotion of Indian Culture, Music, and Art amongst Youth, with the aim to give our children a deeper understanding of the rich cultural heritage of India. We are also the exclusive center for IMAN in the region of Navi Mumbai and Thane. IMAN is the largest model United Nations where students prepare themselves as delegates of various countries and hold mock sessions of the United Nations bodies. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a glimpse. At Euroschool Airoli, we have made something that goes beyond classrooms and sports fields, something that you can't see or touch. This something is the difference that makes us. It is filled with the love of family, guidance of teachers, and the desire to create a place for young children that is full of love, warmth, comfort, and most important, happiness. With great humility, I want to say this: we are really proud of ourselves. But this journey would not have been possible without the remarkable contribution of my colleagues, the passion and determination of all my teachers, the administrative staff, the hard work of our office boys, caregivers, maids, housekeeping, and security guards. I take this opportunity to thank all of them from the bottom of my heart for everything. I especially want to thank Geeta Agrawal, our senior school vice principal, Anandi Gosrani, our junior school vice principal, and Santosh Bairagi, our administrative manager. Between the three of them, they pretty much manage the school. Dear parents, thank you for giving us the privilege of being with your children. They are wonderful little human beings, and it's a blessing being with them. I have a favorite quote that says, "If a man does not keep pace with his companions, maybe it's because he hears a different drummer. Let him step to the music he hears, however measured or far away." Ladies and gentlemen, every day we are creating special music for each of our little drummers, your children, because each one is unique and deserves a unique space in our hearts. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, may I now request you to inaugurate the festivity of today's celebration by releasing the lanterns.